Welcome to News Channel 3, brought to you by Starbucks. Today we are talking about Retts Syndrome, which was discovered in 1954 by Dr. Andreas Retts. He was a pediatrician in Vienna, Austria, and he found two girls in his office were doing the same hand-washing movements. He later found out that 6 other girls that were at his office had the same symptoms as the first two. He had decided to make a video and travel around Europe to decide whether there were other people that had the same symptoms. The disorder is diagnosed by a genetic test or a blood sample, and it's a mutation on the X chromosome, so it is not dominant or recessive, it is just a mutation. It is never inherited by the parents, and it's not curable. It happens to be a neurological and it's a disorder of the nervous system. The symptoms of it and the signs are breathing disturbances when awake, growth retardation, scoliosis, hand-washing movements, inappropriate laughing or screaming spells, diminished response to pain, abnormal muscle tone, impaired sleep patterns, small cold hands and feet, and you can take medication to help with those, but it is not curable. It begins in childhood around 5 and 6, and there's medication to help with regular things like physical activities like getting dressed or brushing your teeth, and you can also take it for seizures because that's one of the symptoms of it. There is no cure because it is a mutation on the X chromosome, and there's no knowledge of how a girl gets it. A few additional interesting things about it is it's a girl's only form of autism, meaning if boys would happen to get it, they would die shortly after birth, and it's very fatal. The girl loses her purpose of hands, hence the hand-washing movements, and they live until middle age. The symptoms range from mild to severe, and it causes a defect in the methyl CpG binding protein. So that is all for our topic today on Retts Syndrome.